All right, real quick, we're going to go over photo boxes and templates, showing you how to bring candid images in. If you go to the Art tab, and then you're going to notice there's a Templates tab. You can go to My Templates if you have templates saved, or you can go into the Library, which will have all kinds of different templates that you can just drag and drop onto the page. Once they're on the page, you can drag and drop images, candid images into the boxes. It'll automatically drop in. So while we're here, let me go into the candids and I'll show you real quick. So if you just drag and drop it in there, if you double click on the image and then hit the crop tool, you're going to see this little blue square that'll enable you to zoom in and out of your image. And if you grab onto the gray part here, you can actually drag it around to where you want it. And then once you like what you see, click off to the side and it will appear the way you like it. Another quick tip, if you want to ungroup, like I just clicked on this section at the bottom, you see this here is grouped. If you click off of that and then click off to the side, all of these will be back to individual boxes. So you'll be able to move them independently from the others. Okay, back to this image. Now, if you notice when I clicked on this section, the whole grouping lit up. Double click on the image and it'll take you right to that image. If you see this little warning sign here, it's just telling you that you're going off of the bleed. And actually, this little green line here, you're still in the safe zone, but they prefer you to keep everything on the inside just in case during trim they cut off part of that. But usually it's this yellow area that the trim line is at, where the red line is. But they like to keep it safe and keep things on the inside. That way you don't have any problems with things being deleted or cut off. Okay, so that is, let me do one more thing here. If you go over to here in adjustments, this was where you can lighten and darken your image, add some contrast to it if you'd like. Go to sepia or black and white. You can also add color layovers or overlays. If you are interested in doing that, let me know and I can show you how to do that. All right, so I am going to go to, let's just go back here. I'm going to show you how to do a photo box. So if you click on photo boxes, and you're going to see it gives you all kinds of different shapes. So I'm going to just grab a square. I like to grab the square, bring it in, and drop it. And I'm going to show you another way to do that. So once it's there, if you go to Candids, you just drop it in there, and it's the exact same thing as the templates when you're in the templates. Hit the crop tool, and this will enable you to zoom in. Okay, and there you go. You can also add a border. You can add a drop shadow, and here's your controls for your drop shadow. You can do whatever you want with that, and add a blur to it, which spreads it a little. Okay. Now, if you want to adjust this box, all you do is grab the corners and drag it. Okay, so the other thing I want to show you is if you go back into the photo boxes and I grab the square, you can left click on the page and drag it and make any shape you want. Go back to the Candids, grab an image, drop it in, and if you click your crop tool, see the darkened area off to the side. We're going to grab that corner and we're zooming. Now I can center my image, or if I want to use a third, whatever you want to do, click off. Once again, if you want to add borders, oops, click on borders. Here's your points here, so you can move them up. Drop shadows, same thing, and there you go. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you.